Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you an oven baked chicken recipe. Now guys, here you see I have a whole chicken which I'll be doing it all in this video, and a list of my ingredients: my cayenne pepper, my garlic powder, my Maggi seasoning, my salt, my black pepper, onion, garlic paste, scallion or green onion, my olive oil, and just a display of the ingredients that I already have here, guys. Let's get this show on the road. So guys, I'm gonna cut the onion up right now and get this thing started. For the scallion, so guys, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my seasoning to this bowl that you see I have here. Now guys, the measurement, I put a tablespoon of each because it's a small chicken, so I just put a tablespoon of each of the seasoning, except for the black pepper, half tablespoon, and I won't be using all of it, and just a tip of salt, because of course you know all of those seasonings have salt, so I won't want to put any excess salt in the dish. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix it in. See that? And then guys, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of the oil. This will help the season to stick to the chicken. And then my garlic paste. It's almost finished, so I can use the spoon to go into it. And then now guys, you just want to mix that in, and if it needs more oil, you can add more oil. So this is gonna create a paste that you're gonna use to marinate the chicken. Gonna add a little more oil, and it also prevents the chicken from sticking to the pan because you know the oil. Okay guys, look at that. That's exactly where you want to put it. Okay, and one little thing, I want a little kick to my chicken. I always love the spices, so I'm gonna add some of this pepper flakes. The first time opening it. Not much. You know, I have to think about others when I'm doing this spicy thing. Alright guys, I'll set that aside. Let me just clean up my workstation. Now I'm gonna go get the chicken, guys. Okay guys, so now I have the chicken out of the fridge. So what I'm gonna do now is just add the paste. And of course you see I have my gloves. I'm just gonna get that all over the chicken. Get that all in, guys. I'm gonna add some to the inside now and just work it around, massage it in, because you want it to be seasoned fully. Lovely texture and color. Now guys, you know my thing already with the knife, as I showed you in previous video. I just want to bore some holes and just massage that in. Okay guys, so now for my onions and my scallion, I'll be stuffing inside just to create that flavor from inside. Let me drop a couple of holes in the breast. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be preparing this for my bake pan. One last look before it goes into the oven. Guys, here you see I have my bake tin. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little oil. And just use a napkin to just rub that in. Just like that. My hands are washed, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the chicken to the pan. Now my oven is already been heated at 350 degrees. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna prepare it for the oven. One last look, guys, before it goes into the oven. Okay guys, so I'll see you in about maybe half an hour time, where I'll be preparing my sauce to put on the chicken. So guys, now I'm gonna add my sauce that I'm going to be basting the chicken with. I'm going to be using 2 types of barbecue sauce for this one. Sweet Baby Ray's and my Kraft honey. Mix that in. Sorry guys that the camera wasn't straight. This is what I'm gonna be coating it with. Now you can tip some vinegar in it to stretch if you want, but I love when it's thick. So guys, After half an hour, I just take it out briefly out of the oven to marinate it with some of the sauce. So guys, I'm gonna add my decoration to the pot. Just some bell peppers. Just to give the recipe some colors. A few carrots. I'm gonna show you how it looks in a minute, guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the sauce. Sorry for the camera moving, guys. Sometimes it has a mind of its own. Now, as I always say, guys, when you're in the kitchen and you're cooking, you can add your twists to your recipes. It doesn't have to be the original way that you know your grandparents or whoever does it, because you're cooking for yourself and you're trying new things. So guys, I'm gonna place this back in the oven, give it the next half an hour, repeat the process. Okay guys, now here's the finishing product, looking wonderful. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.